Thank you, Mal, for the wonderful introduction. I acknowledge and seek refuge in the presence of our Almighty Father and our bliss. Special recognition is afforded to the Governor General, Sam, I might not choose her name, say Sam. Excellencies, Presidents, Ministers, Secretary Generals, CGAS, athletes and officials, a big malo Alpito, a big malo today from our hearts to yours. Before I get into my brief speech, I would like to convey our personal thanks to the Governor General. Thank you for this opportunity to come together and express our different culture as peoples of the Moana. Also, thank you for cancelling the Victoria 2026 Games and giving most of us an opportunity to travel to Europe and the United Kingdom for the first time. I just did one job this morning, and that is the honor of introducing our cultural item. I was going to speak off the cuff, but I won't be doing anyone any favors, so I'll stick to my notes. As we come together in friendship, our cultural item reflects our shared values of grace and humility, not only in Oceania, but across the Commonwealth. Miss Wawaki Afu, one of our Tongan swimmers, is proudly representing our island kingdom with a Taonga. Her costume is handcrafted from the traditional foul dress, secured with a kafan, a hand-braided rope made of coconut husk fiber. Her sisi or fusipala adornments, including her necklace, bracelets, and ankle ornaments, are made from kalopa seeds, the red seeds, together with white jojoba seeds, symbolizing the red and white of our national colors. Completing her ensemble is a traditional feathered earpiece, celebrating our natural beauty and artistry of Tongan craftsmanship. Wawahi will be dancing to a composition by the late Queen Sarode III, titled Wisa Neulele Kokela, wishing you all athletes and officials a very memorable games. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Wawahi to the stage as she performs Wisa Neulele Kokela. Kalata maupe
E ku feo hui moko e
O ku whakalata maupe Ai wheo i moko
Kalata maupe
E ku feo i moko e